Day 2 of testimony in the Dale-Warner murder trial officially began just a short while ago, starting with a witness statement from Dee's son, Zack Bock. Day 1 focused on statements from two of Dee's daughters, a friend of Dee's, and a woman whom Dee had an eyelash appointment with the last day she was seen. Questions for Zack focused on the businesses and the relationship between him and his mom. Zack says he was very close with his mom and would see her almost every day.
Were there times you ever called or texted your mom that she didn't respond to you?
The only time that she's never responded to me was when she was killed.
A common response from each of Dee's children who spoke on the stand so far was that Dee had spoken about divorce in the past, but took it a step further by stating she wanted to sell the trucking business. Melissa Andrews is in the courtroom for the remainder of the day, and we'll have updates on the trial tonight on WTOL 11 News at 5 and 6. As the Dale-Warner murder trial continues, we are bringing in more legal perspective to help break down what jurors are hearing inside the courtroom. Former Lucas County Judge and prosecutor Gary Byers says Day 1 was all about setting expectations for what will be a long and detailed trial.
You don't want to paint yourself into the corner if you are representing the defense. You want to see what the evidence is. Your job out there is to prove reasonable doubt. And so you want to establish as many questions to the evidence, and this is a complex case. The presentation by the prosecution is very difficult, very complex, many pieces that you have to fold into a narrative for the jury.
Byers says the defense's short opening statement is typical in cases like this, especially when the trial could stretch for weeks. He adds jurors will now be asked to pay close attention as evidence is introduced piece by piece, deciding how or whether it all fits together as the trial moves forward. You can watch the entire trial live on WTOL 11+, where we're bringing you must-see moments from the courtroom and more in-depth legal analysis. Download WTOL 11+ on your TV and watch for free.